Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Japan Study Center. Today we are going to see the chapter of geography, and what is our topic today? Global warming. Global warming is the most important topic here. The global warming is one of the major environmental problem our earth is facing. That is important that global warming is one of the major environment problem our earth are facing, and scientists see it is a close association with the depletion of the stratospheric ozone layer and the increasing the atmospheric carbon dioxide. That is important. The scientists observe here the depletion and the stratospheric ozone layer is increasing the atmospheric carbon dioxide. As you know that the upper portions of the stratosphere contain a layer of the ozone gas. The ozone is capable of the absorbing a large amount of sun as a ultraviolet radiation, thus the preventing it from the reaching the earth as a surface. Scientists have realized that is the thickness of the ozone layer is the reducing, and this is a disturbing of the balance of the gas in the atmosphere is increasing the amount of the ultraviolet radiation reaching the earth. You know that there is the most important here. The ozone is capable of absorbing to the large amount of sun ultraviolet radiation, thus preventing it from reaching the earth's surface. And scientists have realized that is the thickness of the ozone layer is the reducing. The ultraviolet radiation is responsible for the increasing to the global temperature of the Earth's surface. Besides, it can be cerebral burn human beings as a skin, increase the incidence of the skin cancer, destroy contain microscopy from of life and damage plant. That is important for the ultraviolet here ray, the radiation, and there is a main effect here skin cancer, destroy contain of microscope from and the damage of plant and the motia bin. There is the gradually is a increasing in the carbon dioxide content of the atmosphere. It is estimated that the carbon is a dioxide is the content of atmosphere has increasing 25% in the last hundreds year. Carbon dioxide allowed to the insulation to the pass through the but absorbing tertiary radiation. Increase of the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere has to be effect of the rising of the atmospheric temperature. It is estimated that the temperature of atmosphere has increased by about 0.5% in the last 1000 year. You know that there is the last of 0.5 Celsius in the last 1000 year. The atmosphere is increasing of temperature. The large scale of deforestation and fossil fuel burning, their reason, and burning of the garbage and combustion of the process in the factories and volcanic eruptions are some of the factors responsible for the increasing of the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. There is a most important topic here. If the depletion of the ozone layer and the increasing in the carbon dioxide content of continue, the time would be a come when the temperature of the atmosphere will be rise to be a extent that is would be a melt polar ice cap and increasing the sea level and causing to the submergence of coastal region and island. The phenomenon of the worldwide increasing of atmospheric temperature due to depletion of the ozone layer and the increasing of carbon dioxide content is known as the global warming. You know that what is the global warming? The global warming is a rising for the ice cap, increasing the sea level and the submergence of the coastal region. There is the effect. And there is the global warming is the definition here. The phenomena of would be wild of increasing of atmospheric temperature due to the depletion of the ozone layer and the increasing of carbon dioxide content is known as the global warming. There is a 2 point here is the most important for the exam view. The latitudinal heat balance is a transfer of heat from the lower to the higher altitude, and by the winds and oceans current to be counter the imbalance created by the isolation at the different latitudes. And here the next point, the global warming is the worldwide is the increasing of the atmospheric temperature due to depletion of the ozone layer and it is the increasing of the carbon dioxide content. There is important here.